Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that Microsoft has always promised in every version of Windows, they were always saying this is the most secure, this is the fastest Windows ever. But when you look at the numbers and you look at the tests and all the benchmarks, it was always kind of difficult to really see that a version of Windows was really faster than the last one, and sometimes even we had the impression it was maybe slower than the last one. So Microsoft has said today that 25H2 is going to be tweaked in such a way that your PC is really going to feel much faster and that performance will be there. They've already released a kind of pretty bogus video and benchmarks that don't even look like they should have been done because there's no real baseline, no real, info that you can't compare two machines that are the same. They were comparing machines that are different. You can't do that. That does not show a better performance of an operating system. You got to really have to exactly the same machine if you want to be able to see if something's faster than before. Now, they said that on 25H2, the main focus will be on tweaking the system core to make sure that things are as fast as possible. So that's going to be something we'll have to look at. Do we feel or will we feel 25H2 faster than 24H2 or 23H2? Is going to be something to look at for sure, because they are promising, and the way the blog post and the info given is that they seem to be pretty serious in trying to make sure that every little process and everything, the computer and the hardware together, will be as efficient as possible. So we'll see. We'll see what that does. We'll see if it really happens. And of course, that's what we would like. We would like to have a possibility of this happening, having a much faster Windows 11. But we'll see. It's not that it's slow. On my machines, it's not. But I think everybody agrees that there is room for improvement in the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.